Burnt remains of a young family found in St. Thomas.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
The charred remains of the 3 bodies found in St. Thomas have been identified as that of a female Jamaica Defence Force soldier, 21-year-old Lexton Clayton, her 2-year-old child Tyler Taylor, and the child's father, 28-year-old Kimani Taylor. The St. Thomas police, who are probing the incident, is yet to determine the circumstances that led to the death of the young family. The Portmorant police say they are awaiting the results of post-mortem examinations. However, police report indicates that Taylor, a security guard with the Portland Municipal Corporation, rented a Nissan Latio motorcar for 2 days on Saturday morning. According to the owner of the car, he received a call from Taylor early on Saturday afternoon, advising him that he was in St. Thomas and had developed difficulty. The call reportedly ended abruptly. Attempts were then made by the owner of the vehicle to reach Taylor by phone but was unsuccessful. The vehicle's electronic tracking system was then activated and the car was located about 3:30 p.m. along the roadway between Pier 3 and Bowden, seemingly abandoned. The police confirmed that a child restraint seat and a piece of rope which appeared to be new were found inside the car. Items which the owner confirmed were not in the vehicle at the time of rental. It is believed that Taylor, who is from Cornwall Barracks in Portland, picked up his son after collecting the car. He then went to the JDF headquarters at Up Park Camp in Kingston to pick up Clayton, and the 3 headed towards her hometown in Barnesbury District, Yallas in St. Thomas. An army tag with the words, "Love Tyler Forever," said to be the property of Lexton, was the only evidence found by relatives, confirming fears that she had met her demise. Family, friends, and curious onlookers journeyed to the remote location on Sunday to get a glimpse, and those who knew the couple well spoke unkindly of Kimani Taylor. The couple's relationship was said to be turbulent. A resident said that he had a day earlier seen a man believed to be Taylor pulled up along the roadway and roll what appeared to be tires into bushes. There are also theories that Taylor may have been trying to rid himself of his son, allegedly offering a woman in the area money to take the infant. Saturday him come with money and say to keep the baby. And the girl said, "No man." Him say, "Me I give you the whole of the money here." And she said, "No man, and we don't know ya." Residents said Taylor also appeared shaken and unstable when spotted Saturday. She got in and locked her door and him drive away. But in a them time there, the girl probably dead already. So when nobody now take the baby, him just go back around there and put the baby on the fire too. And them find a bottle near the scene, like him drink something and lay down beside the fire too, a purported eyewitness said.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.